All right, guys, it is February, let's see, February 3rd. It's like 52 degrees. It stormed last night. Well, it didn't really storm, it just rained really bad. So this is the clear blue sky day after it. It's really, really windy, blowing all that rain out, blowing a cold front in. And it's about time for them to start eating red, man. It's a time of year I look forward to every year. I think everybody that fishes should look forward to it as well. There's one. Oh, it feels like a good one too. Feels like a catfish or a stripe. No bass. Got a mouthful of that lipless too, man. One on the top, one on the bottom. There you go. Nice little fatty. See if we can find its mom. Fish is a big one, or it's foul hooked. Or it's just really pissed off. I'm gonna go with the ladder. There you go, a little largemouth. I think he was just really mad. He hit it hard. God, he hit it hard. Alright, seems like it's gonna be a lipless day. Something I can make long casts with and get out, get through this wind. Got it. Ain't a big one, but I'll take him. He's decent. Ate up, bang. Here we go. Another lipless crank fish. Bye-bye. See you next time. 27 pounds, 8 pounds, 10 pounds. There he is. That's probably the biggest one of the day. There you go. It is cold. It is like supposedly like 50 something degrees, but the wind's kicking probably 20 miles an hour. And let me tell you, it's cold. Anyways, I had a decent afternoon. I fished for an hour. I caught 4. Don't think I missed any bites. I caught 3 on lipless, 1 on chatterbait. Oh, excuse me, it's 47. Feels like 43. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will see y'all on the water next time.